Okay guys, scalp opportunity coming up on the DAX as we speak. So let me just flick my charts on and have a wee look, shall we? Okay, so we're going to drop this down into sort of a 5-minute chart. Count 5 candles back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to drop an order underneath that. 5 pips, sell it for a $5. We're going to make the order come to us, so we're going to drop that under there, bang, put the order in. Now it's a scalp for 27 pips, so I'm going to kind of make that about 25. That'll do. And we're going to follow these candles. Now you might be saying, oh my god, look at this. This here looks like it's a buy because it's rattling up. Yeah, but it can't do that forever. It's got to retrace on itself. It's hit the center zone between these points, so it's going to come back on itself. Take this out to 15 minutes. What have we got? It's starting to collapse. So if it's working against this particular move here, drop that onto there, onto there. What's it done? Well, it's stalled bang on that 61, which means it'll look to try and retest something, which will be this 50. So what we'll do is a couple of parameters. So got a stalling point there, which it has stalled and is now rejecting. We've got a small sort of candle here from a big push up, big wick, seller, seller. It's a bit of relaxation on the chart front. Drop that down onto there. Set my target just in front of it because the sheet has worked out. If I just bring this into play. Just a sec. Worked out that it's a scalp. It's a C. So it's scalp by definition. Risky. So I've got to be a bit careful. 27 pips. All right. Now the trade itself is going to be a scalp. All right. And that's what it here. And I'm going with the lower time frame. So it's just triggered into as we speak. Should maybe have updated that into a sell. But I've got to be careful because the lights are off on this thing. So the lights are going the opposite way. So it's definitely going to be in and it's going to be out. Don't want to be holding onto this any longer than I have to. So let this push down. Now, if it gets out of hand, where are we wrong? Well, we're wrong when we break this area up here, 76. So we're going to put another checkpoint in, which is there. And what I'll prepare to do is I'll run that trade up to that point to come back again. But if it breaks through this barrier, I've got a real problem here. And I'll need to have to think about that. So, but at the moment, it's pushing down. It's called the trade correct at this moment in time. Let's see if we can get further down. Oh, that's no good. Winky came up, talked to us, and she never brought any coffee. Oh. But we've got the power of Alexa, and Alexa will tell it to switch kettle on. And then she'll come running up here and beat me to fuck. Give us a sec. This is good, this bit. Right, message Alexa. Okay. All right, bollocks to it. Oh, I need a coffee. Let's play this out, and I'll sort my coffee out. Okay, Casp, that was for you. Very, very simple setup. It was a scalp that was called on it. Basically, it was bouncing off these two lines here and working on a pullback against this based on an hourly chart, which was here. What we can see is big push up, collapse, pushed up into here, failing in and around this level, which then would create a pullback. Now, if it decides to move up that way, fine, but it just meant for the course of this hour, it was probably going to be coming down, and that's what I took the trade on. So there you go. Again, it's always systematic. Just keep following the same process, one after the other after the other. If it runs for you, amazing. That first position did you well. If it doesn't run for you, fine. You've got room to build your trade. And then you just build your trade, takes your money, and that's your lot. So, see you all in the next one. Oh, just before I run away, I forgot. There you go. That's what the trades have done for me today. And then we'll just make certain I've cleared my tickets off. Yeah, I have. So, sorry about that. But there you go, Casp. That was for you. I'm done now. Catch you soon.